go through the most important part where you can earn with Click Home Income, and that is through our Job Hunter Pro. So this is basically a tool where Click Home Income searches the job for you that you want, and then you just choose whether you want to do it or not. So for example, basing on the tool that the Click Home Income has, a voiceover tool, let's try to search a voiceover gig. Just choose the platform, Upwork for example, click search, and then there you have it. It's up to you which one you want here. Let's try clicking this one, and then you will be redirected to the site, and then the job description will be there. Again, it's up to you whether you want to take up the job or not. Maybe you want to look for another one. Let's try looking for another one. And there you have it. So you can use Click Home Income's voiceover tool for these gigs. So I'm going to show you how to use the voiceover tool. So it's very simple and easy. So here you can type in whatever you want, or you can simply copy paste the text that you want to be converted into speech. So here I copy pasted something and I just choose the language. I'm going to choose English, I'm going to choose American, and then you can also choose the voice that suits your taste. So you just click convert, and then after a few seconds it'll appear here. Just click play.
Using the same system that I'm about to share with you,
So you can check whether the text and the voice match, and then after that you can click download and it'll automatically download on your device. As simple as that. So for example, you want a different language. So I'm gonna type in Japanese here. And then you choose the language, again, Japanese, and then choose the voice that suits your taste. So click convert again, and then after a few seconds, this will appear, and then you just click play.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
And if you think that's good enough, you just click download again, and it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try searching another gig using another platform. This time, let's use the transcriber tool or the speech-to-text tool of Click Home Income. So here we have two tools inside. Let's go through URL to text first. And here you can input a YouTube URL. Let's try this one. Copy the video URL or the video link, and then simply paste it and click transcribe. And it's here. Let's try if it matches.
The introduction paragraph is the first part of your essay, and it's important to start strong. A great introduction.
Alright, so if you're okay with that, you can click download and it'll automatically download. And here you are, the text that has been converted from a video. So let's try the other tool, the MP3 to MP4 text. So here you can upload an MP4 or a video file, or an MP3 or an audio file. So let's try an audio file. Click convert, wait for a few seconds, and now we have your file here. Let's try clicking it, and that's the text that has been converted from an audio file. So that's it. So let's try searching for a job that's looking for a transcriber. Alright, there are a lot of gigs here. So here we have a list of the prices as well. So let's try expert English transcribers. There you have it, the description, and then again, it's up to you whether you want to get the job or not, or you're looking for another one. But basically, you can use the Click Home Income tools to finish the job, and then you can earn. I'll be showing you one more tool before ending this video. So let's go through the logo maker. So here we have lots of templates that's already done for you, and you just choose and edit which one you like. So let's go with this. You can move it around or just simply replace the letters or the words. So as easy as that, you can already click save, and then it'll be saved in this tab. And then here you can see all your past works, and here the one I recently did. So you can choose to edit it here again, and then you can also click here to download. So it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try designing another one. Let's try this one. So here we can edit the text, and we could also change the image. Just click delete and click open here and click overlay image and just choose the image you want and click open. So after this, you just click save and then okay, and let's go back and go to your save designs, and you can see it here. So you can choose to edit it again or download it. So click download and it'll automatically download onto your device. These are just some examples of the many tools you can monetize with Click Home Income. Happy earning!
According to the IRS, the average millionaire in America has 7 income streams flowing to their bank accounts at once. These wealthy people know that having a full-time job is nothing but a dead end. And if you want to break free from your job or multiply your income, you need more than one income stream. More importantly, these income streams need to be remote, easy, and simple to create. That means you can get paid from anywhere in the world with just a few clicks of the mouse to activate them. Well, is it really possible for us to get paid 7 different income streams at once by completing simple online tasks with a few clicks? Just take a look at what our users have earned so far. This is Olivia, a stay-at-home mom who has earned over $6,417.33 with us. This is Brandon, a part-time office clerk, who's earned over $3,225.05 with us. And this is Tash, a retail sales assistant who's banked over $4,841.70 with us. So what's responsible for all their successes? Introducing Click Home Income, a proprietary software that taps into a little-known, hidden-in-plain-sight website that's paying us $20 to $100 every time we complete a simple task online. Simple tasks like converting a Word document to PDF with our software for $20 per task, paraphrasing simple English sentences with our software for $30 per task, uploading a script and creating a voiceover with our AI proprietary software for $50 per task, generating ready-made professional logos with our software for $80 per task. And the list goes on. The best part? Every single task can be completed in under 10 minutes simultaneously, adding up to 7 streams of income at one go, all from the comfort of your home. You don't even need to find these tasks yourself. We have them prepared and readily available for you to start cashing in fast. All thanks to Click Home Income. What once took a few hours to complete is now achievable in 10 minutes or less. And all we have to do is upload simple task requirements into our proprietary software, and we get paid an average of $29 every time we do it. Yes, it's really that simple. And I know $29 may seem like a small amount of money, but it quickly snowballs into a large amount of online earnings. Let's do some math. If we complete 5 simple tasks, we make $145. If we complete 10 simple tasks, we can make $290. If we complete 20 simple tasks, we can make $580. And if we complete 50 simple tasks, that makes us a whopping $1,450. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is let our software complete these tasks for you in 10 minutes. We're paid $29 on average per income stream. And we simply multiply that by 7 for completing 7 different tasks simultaneously. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your Click Home Income account. It takes just 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2. Create a simple task from our task library. Technically, Click Home Income will complete it for you. Step 3. Sit back and get paid, without any effort on your end. This is something that anyone can do. Just follow these 3 simple steps and you're all set. Now, one thing I cannot stress enough is that you don't need to complete these tasks on your own. That's boring work and no one wants that. Instead, the software does it all for you, so you won't even need any technical knowledge. Think of yourself as a delivery man instead of a handyman. No getting your hands dirty or getting involved in the fixes. You simply help deliver completed tasks online using our software. That's what you're getting paid for. Now at this point, you're likely wondering how much is Click Home Income going to cost you. It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, here's the deal. After we were done developing Click Home Income, we thought of charging $297 monthly for access. And this would be a very fair price. After all, Click Home Income pays us an average of $29 every time we complete a simple task. And we multiply that by 7 times for completing different simple tasks simultaneously. So if you do the math, it would quickly pay for itself. But we get it, $297 monthly is a lot to commit to. Perhaps you've been burned before, and I understand if you're skeptical with all the BS floating around. So I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. Instead of charging you $297 per month, I'm going to offer Click Home Income at a low, one-time price that anyone can afford. This will ensure that everyone has a fair shot at making money online, and it's our way of giving back to the community. However, there is a catch. Indeed, there are some strings attached. If you want to qualify for this special discount, you cannot delay. You must act now. That's because we will only be offering this discount to a limited number of customers. Once all the spots are taken up, the doors will be closed. And if you know us, we don't mess around with that fake scarcity bullcrap. When I say something, I mean it. So if you come back later, you could lose your spot. Why risk that when you could have acted right now? And speaking of risk, there is none. You're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. It's quite simple. If you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, we will refund every penny of your money without hesitation. Because if we haven't delivered you value, we don't deserve your money. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose. The best thing for you to do for you and your wallet is to click the button below right now and get your hands on Click Home Income at the lowest price. This is a decision that will quickly pay for itself. So take the plunge. Click the button below and secure access to Click Home Income. We'll see you on the inside.